thing, the funny thing is, when my immune system goes down, I get a cold sore. When my vitality goes up, and I've got lots of energy, I get a cold. I don't get a cold sore whatsoever. No tingles, no nothing. I'll say it again. When my immune system goes down, I get a cold sore. And when my vitality and energy goes up, I get a cold or a flu-like symptom or a cough. And all of this, I'm getting rid of lots and lots of mucus and phlegm. Why is this, everybody? Contrary to popular media, deliberate and knowledge giving, and contrary to the confusing information out there and the misinformation, getting a cold doesn't necessarily mean having a weak immune system. It means your body is cleansing. See, the herpes simplex virus, whatever it is, tickle, that is an opportunistic virus that comes out on people's lips when their immune system is down, when they're weak, when they're tired, when they're depleted, when they're run down. When my energy is high, and I've done this before on day 3 of just eating fruits, because whenever we eat in a way where we conserve and build energy, that energy is used by the body to have a cold, to have a cleanse. So a cold is just a cleanse. Same with nearly almost a lot of cold flu-like symptoms. Cleanses when we're expectorating mucus and phlegm. That is cleansing. So why do a lot of people, what is the documented evidence where people like mostly get colds or get sick? Is when they go on holiday, my friends. And one is partially because maybe they're eating more different food or more food, but really it's not the fact they're eating more food, and maybe they're not even eating more food, but what they are doing is relaxing. They're conserving energy. And when you conserve energy, the body wants to, and you de-stress, the body wants to heal itself and to cleanse toxins and waste and garbage. So that's the truth of it, my friends. So enjoy getting a cold. Like I said in the previous video, I prayed for a cleanse and a cold, and I got a cold. It's also bacterial aided, so the heaps of people are getting colds around you, and you're like breathing in it, and they're coughing in front of you and sneezing in it. That'll help, but you do need vitality and energy to have a cleanse too, because I didn't for 10 years and I almost got no cleanses. But the minute I got a lot healthier and vitality, I started getting loads of cleanses called colds. It's really good for you, because every single time it's over, I feel way better than I did before I even started the cleanse. So it's really good to have a good body and to feel good and have vitality. And we have vitality by eating our natural simple diet of raw vegan, eating simply, eating raw, simple diet like the 80-10-10 diet. And holistic factors will lead to your health too, like sleep, enough water, exercise, sunshine, following your creativity, what you like in life, meeting your needs, living more of your passion, purpose and service to others, be it locally or globally, having fun, meeting your social needs and interactions, and have a lovely day, my friends. Lots of love. Have a beautiful day. Life is a beautiful gift, and it's been a pleasure making this video. Thank you, and I love it when everybody shares the message, and all the likes, subscribes, all the lovely messages. Like, thanks for all the comments, and befriend me on Facebook and Instagram and say hello personally. Love to hear from you. Have a nice day.